To begin setting up my Christmas tree, I first start off with setting up my Christmas stand. Then I go ahead and put the first part of the Christmas tree down. I begin by lowering all of the branches down, and then I tie up the remaining branches so that I can start to fluff the branches.
Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
One row, I move on to the next and just continue the same process all the way up to the top of the Christmas tree.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so
I'm continuing on with the same process as I move on to the second tier of the tree.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
The final tier of the Christmas tree and continuing on with the same process. After I finish fluffing the tree, I go ahead by adding the Christmas tree skirt and plugging in the Christmas lights. Then I move on to adding the tinsel onto the tree.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas.
Now I'm adding on the tree topper, then I'm moving on to placing the ornaments onto the tree. concludes decorating my Christmas tree, and make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas.
So